How to change Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can change our Fortnite username using Nintendo Switch. So let's just go ahead with the process. First of all, go ahead and grab a Nintendo Switch, and after grabbing it, you need to have your Fortnite installed, and if it is already installed, you can go ahead and hit that plus icon in your Nintendo Switch on the red side. You can find this plus icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it. After that, you just need to head over and navigate settings, under which we are gonna go and select support and refunds. Just go ahead and select that option by pressing A on your Nintendo Switch. And after that, you're gonna select support, and then you will be taken to this page. So here you need to verify yourself as a human. There is some verification process you need to complete first. After that, you will be taken to this page of Epic Games. So you're gonna go to the account settings. Here on the second, we can find it below the search help center. Just go ahead and click on it, the account settings. And after going there, you need to sign in your Epic Games using your email address and your password. Just go ahead and sign in your Epic Games. After that, you will be taken to this page. So you're gonna go to the account settings. In order to change your name, you can find this option called account settings. Just go ahead and select it. And when you go to account settings, you can find this pen icon beside your name. You can just go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna change your display name. So when you change the display name in Epic Games, it will automatically change your name in a Fortnite as well. So follow this process, confirm it, and your name should be changed into your Fortnite. So therefore follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon.